Welcome to Barcelona. If you're planning a 3-day trip to Barcelona, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore some of the city's most famous landmarks, beautiful beaches, historic streets, charming neighborhoods, and incredible viewpoints, giving you plenty of inspiration to create your own perfect 3-day Barcelona itinerary. So sit back, relax, and let's discover the best of Barcelona together, one step at a time. Sagrada Família. We begin our journey at Barcelona's most famous landmark, the incredible Sagrada Família. Towering above the city, this breathtaking basilica has become the symbol of Barcelona and one of the most recognizable churches in the world. Construction began in 1882, and just a year later, the project was handed over to the brilliant architect Antoni Gaudí, whose unique vision transformed it into one of the world's greatest architectural masterpieces. Inspired by nature, Gaudí designed soaring towers, tree-like columns, and beautiful stone carvings that tell the story of Jesus Christ. Every side of the basilica is filled with incredible details, and the longer you look, the more you'll discover. Even after more than a century of construction, the Sagrada Família continues to amaze millions of visitors every year. Now, let's continue to one of Barcelona's most elegant streets, Passeig de Gràcia. Passeig de Gràcia is much more than a shopping street. It's one of Barcelona's most beautiful avenues and one of the best places to admire the city's famous modernist architecture. Originally built to connect Barcelona with the nearby village of Gràcia, it quickly became home to the city's wealthiest families. Today, you'll find luxury shops, cafes, restaurants, and some of Gaudí's most famous buildings, all while enjoying one of the most pleasant walks in the city. Our first stop is one of his most imaginative creations, Casa Batllo. Standing in front of Casa Batllo, it's easy to see why it's considered one of Gaudí's greatest works. Completed in 1906, its colorful facade looks almost alive. The balconies resemble masks, while the curved roof is said to represent the back of a dragon, inspired by the legend of Saint George, the patron saint of Catalonia. Instead of straight lines, Gaudí filled the building with flowing curves, colorful mosaics, and natural light, creating something that feels more like art than architecture. Just a few minutes away, another masterpiece awaits. La Pedrera, Casa Milà. Completed in 1912, Casa Milà, better known as La Pedrera, was the last private home designed by Antoni Gaudí. Its flowing stone facade resembles rolling ocean waves, while the wrought iron balconies look like twisting plants or seaweed. The rooftop is especially famous for its unique chimneys, often described as silent guardians watching over Barcelona. Today, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the city's architectural highlights. Next, we head uphill to another unforgettable Gaudí masterpiece, Parc Güell. Perched above Barcelona, Parc Güell offers some of the city's best views. Originally planned as a luxury residential community, it eventually became one of the world's most famous public parks. Bright mosaics, winding paths, elegant columns, and creative designs blend perfectly with the surrounding landscape, showing Gaudí's belief that architecture should work together with nature. From the famous curved bench, you'll enjoy panoramic views stretching across Barcelona all the way to the Mediterranean Sea. Now let's leave the crowds behind and explore a more local side of the city. Gràcia. Although Gràcia officially became part of Barcelona more than 100 years ago, it still feels like its own small village. Quiet squares, narrow streets, family-run cafes, and independent shops create a relaxed atmosphere that's loved by both locals and visitors. It's the perfect place to slow down and experience everyday life in Barcelona. Hidden among these streets is the home where Gaudí's incredible career first began. Casa Vicens. Casa Vicens was Antoni Gaudí's very first major project. Completed in 1885, the house combines colorful ceramic tiles, Moorish influences, and intricate decorative details that were unlike anything Barcelona had seen before. Although his later works became much larger and more famous, This house gives us an early glimpse into the creativity that would define his entire career. From here, we return to the heart of Barcelona. La Rambla. Stretching for just over 1 kilometer, La Rambla is Barcelona's most famous boulevard. Lined with cafes, street performers, artists, flower stalls, and souvenir shops, it's been one of the city's busiest gathering places for centuries. Whether you visit during the day or in the evening, there's always something happening here. Just off La Rambla, we'll find one of Barcelona's most popular attractions, Mercat de la Boqueria. Welcome to La Boqueria, Barcelona's oldest and most famous food market. Here, you'll find fresh seafood, local cheeses, cured meats, colorful fruit, pastries, spices, and plenty of traditional Catalan specialties. The lively atmosphere and incredible variety make this much more than a market. It's one of the city's best places to experience local food and culture. Now let's make our way to the waterfront. Port Vell. Port Vell beautifully combines Barcelona's maritime history with its modern lifestyle. Once a busy industrial harbor, it's now home to luxury yachts, waterfront restaurants, museums, and scenic walking paths. As you stroll along the marina, it's easy to see how closely Barcelona's history has always been connected to the Mediterranean Sea. Just a short walk away, we'll reach one of the city's most famous beaches, Barcelona Beach. Only minutes from the city center, Barcelona Beach is where Barcelona truly comes alive. Golden sand, the sparkling Mediterranean Sea, cyclists, joggers, beach cafes, and palm-lined promenades all create the relaxed atmosphere the city is famous for. It's this unique mix of world-famous architecture and beautiful coastline that makes Barcelona such a special destination. Next, we head towards Montjuïc. Venetian Towers. Standing at Plaça d'Espanya, the Venetian Towers welcome visitors to the Montjuïc district. Inspired by the bell tower of St. Mark's Basilica in Venice, they were built for the 1929 International Exposition and have become one of Barcelona's most recognizable landmarks. Passing between them is the perfect entrance to one of the city's most historic areas. Magic Fountain of Montjuïc. Originally built for the 1929 International Exposition, it's one of Barcelona's best-known landmarks. While the famous music and light shows depend on the season and opening schedule, the fountain remains a beautiful place to visit any time of day. Surrounded by historic buildings and the hills of Montjuïc, it's the perfect place to reflect on everything we've experienced over these 3 unforgettable days. From Gaudi's incredible architecture and charming neighborhoods to lively markets, beautiful beaches, and unforgettable viewpoints, Barcelona truly offers something for everyone. Thank you so much for joining us on this 3-day journey through Barcelona. We hope this guide helps you plan your own visit or simply lets you enjoy the beauty of the city from wherever you are. If you enjoyed this walk, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and join us again as we continue exploring the world's most